This video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications coming from the site newsmagazinegossip.com. Some people may pretty suddenly see these pop-ups to attack their Google, Chrome and other browsers. Newsmagazinegossip.com tries to trick people into subscribing to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. Especially after the allow button is mistakenly clicked, customers may be brought to some other deceptive websites, and also they may soon start periodically receiving the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the computer screen. So you should definitely do something to deactivate these ads. Especially if the allow button was clicked, these ads will be multiple. So access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and click on Notifications. Now pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. In case you find any malicious sites here on the list, you should be careful to get rid of them completely, and this is the way to manually fix your browser. I would also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the software through this green button, install the program, and carefully begin researching your device in order to detect and delete other threats which could remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.